7 rich habits of highly wealthy people, according to a man who spent 25 years studying them. 1. They exercise. People who exercise for just 15 minutes a day do better than everyone else in all areas of success. For example, Richard Branson, a millionaire who made his own success, wakes up early to exercise before starting his day. He says that staying active helps him accomplish more and keeps his brain healthy. 2. They make their bed. People who do their tasks and keep their living space clean usually make more money. For example, those who make their beds in the morning have a much higher chance of becoming billionaires. It helps to put your mind in a productive state. This is called a keystone habit, as explained by author Charles Duhigg in his popular book, The Power of Habit. Making your bed every morning is connected to being more productive, feeling happier, and being better at managing money. 3. They read. People who read at least 7 books a year have a much higher chance of becoming millionaires compared to those who don't read or only read a few books. Reading is also connected to having more education, higher income, and overall happiness. For example, Warren Buffett, the richest person in the world, spends a lot of his day reading, and Bill Gates reads 50 books every year. 4. They wake up early. Successful people usually wake up earlier than most people. A researcher named Thomas C. Corley found that almost half of the self-made billionaires he studied woke up at least 3 hours before their workday started. Corley explains in his book, Change Your Habits, Change Your Life, that waking up early helps to deal with interruptions that can happen during the day, like long meetings, while still having time to focus on important tasks. By waking up early, you can take control of your life and work on the top 3 things you want to achieve that day. It gives a sense of accomplishment and control. 5. They prioritize their relationships. Making an effort in romance can bring several benefits. People who are in fulfilling romantic relationships are more likely to experience overall satisfaction and have higher incomes. In a TED Talk, it was revealed that even something as simple as having regular family dinners can have a significant impact. Those who regularly have dinner together as a family are 41% more likely to be happy and 43% more likely to earn a yearly income of over $100,000. 6. They have good etiquette. Bell's research found a connection between success and paying attention to small details, such as remembering birthdays or sending thank you cards. Similarly, Corley's investigation led him to a related discovery. In his book, he suggests that self-made millionaires have mastered certain etiquette principles that are essential for success. These principles include being polite during meals, dressing appropriately for different social situations, and acknowledging important events like birthdays and weddings. These small acts of consideration and etiquette can contribute to one's overall success. 7. They plan out the day and write things down. According to Bell's research, individuals who maintain a calendar and to-do list are 289% more likely to become billionaires compared to those who don't follow a plan. He also found that successful people have a habit of documenting their insights. Notable examples of this practice can be seen in self-made billionaires like Richard Branson and Bill Gates. These individuals are known for their dedication to taking notes and recording their ideas. Branson particularly emphasizes the importance of capturing inspiration whenever it arises. By documenting their thoughts and insights, these successful individuals can effectively harness and leverage them for future success.